gonna show you very quick micro needling routine that can help you to look younger, healthier, fresh, hydrated, nourished, beautiful, glowy skin, and the most important part, look like yourself. All right, I have actually timer. We will start and I'll show you. I have a feeling I can nail this under 2 minutes, but let's see. But of course I have to put this down. All right, let's go. Start. Disinfecting skin with liquid oxygen. You know, guys, oxygen is antibacterial, antimicrobial. Before any microneedling procedure, treatment, I'm gonna do only face. I'm not gonna do neck. It is important to disinfect your skin if you don't wanna use alcohol, because alcohol is extremely drying, reaction. It is not good for the skin. If you use alcohol and your skin is okay, that's fine. I have completely white new towel that I use only for the facials and not cleaning, washing, wiping hands, straight only for the skin. All right, now I'm going to be using 0.5 wide Dermaroller. Why this is really cool is wide. It takes less time than using regular Dermaroller. I'm going to use 5 times on each area. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So real individual needles. These are 400 needle in one roller. It grabs the wider area on your skin, which is really, really cool. I kind of press like I will hate my lines. I'm pressing like I will hate my lines. It's totally fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm closing my eyes just in case. I'd rather be safe than sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which way you start, horizontally or vertically, is totally up to you. This size shouldn't be used around your eyes, especially close to the eyeball. And I'm paying a little bit more attention to the jowls. Oh, we're 156. Man, this is gonna take a little bit longer than I thought. Wait, this is gonna be faster. With the regular Dermaroller, it will take 10 minutes. All right, pretty much it. I'm using peptide serum. 10 pumps quickly. I just kind of gently in, and that's it. And you disinfect Dermaroller, which you can do tomorrow. Stop. 2 minutes, 27 seconds from the very start of disinfecting my skin, microneedling my entire face, and actually applying organic, natural, and effective peptide serum that is gonna make my skin glow. Here, 2 minutes, 27 seconds. And I'm literally done. That's all you need, guys. You don't need, like people say, I don't have time. If you don't have for your look and for your face, if you don't have 2 minutes and a half, just once a week with this size, this is 0.5. Why this is really cool, you can replace those heads. I'll show you. You can put, if you are not comfortable with the wide head, you can put the skinny head and you can take a little bit more time. If you have time, it's fine. I'm a single mom with a toddler at home, with the business to run, with the salaries and payments to do and bills to pay. I need actually something fast, and this is really cool because we have 0.5, 75, 1 millimeter, 1.5, 1.5. I don't recommend for your face. It is not okay for your face, only for your body. I don't want to confuse. I really love this. This is right now my favorite Dermaroller. Size and the head and the width of the Dermaroller. Get information down below in the description box. I also have a discount code. Any questions, let me know. Make sure after that you don't swim in a chlorinated waters, especially for the next 24 hours. No sun, no gym, no exercising, no sauna, no scrubbing, no rubbing, nothing. Putting fingers in your skin, no massaging your skin. Apply gentle cream, serum if you want. You can follow with vitamin C cream, squalane cream if you want. You don't have to. I like to do that. This is just an extra. You don't have to. Don't add 25 more seconds on the top of that, because I'm telling you now. But this is something extra that I've been loving. This brightens, tightens my skin, and is great antioxidant. This is, guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Let me know if you have any questions. I love you. Bye. Mwah.